So here's the process. 3 or 4 inches of gravel down for road bed. Just taking a break from cutting tracks. And then tamp it. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it's been tamped. There's the hand tamper. So go get more, add a little more, tamp a little more. And using the 411, it locks in nicely. Alright, so we're almost to height, just in this section. Gotta move some more boulders, and then we'll hook up to this section and do some gravel on the other side where the other main line is, and keep trucking forward. I want to get these two, I want to get this tied in and track run, and then start working on the inside loop just for this section. So there it is. Well, I'm out of energy. Didn't get as far as I wanted to today, but there's always tomorrow. And we did get a fair amount done. My son Dominic helped a little bit. He completed the rock section of the wall. And tomorrow we'll get gravel on the other side of the wall there. So that's the wall. Fun stuff. We'll have to string a line from top of this here, this one. That's grade. About the same as the string there. Pencil mark on the stake. And then we can put this track back into place. Maybe run some trains on it, because isn't that the goal? Just wanted to get a shot with the tractor and the trailer out of the way. So grade needs to be brought up on the house. You can see the window well there. And I've been waiting to bring dirt over here till my glass block windows come in. So once grade comes up, then we'll have a lot of that solved. Pretty happy with the wall so far. Let's run some trains. Oh boy.